Guys, maybe you don't know me, but I'm starting blogger from Tatarstan, Набережные Челны, Russia. Okay, I understand. More hate to Russia, but I'm not political. I'm sportsman, athlete. I'm fighting, taekwondo athlete. Okay, let's start. I show you 10 punches, leg punches. My English so easy, but I'm try. Please subscribe. Okay, let's go. Subscribe in Telegram Champion Journal on Russian Дневник Чемпиона and YouTube channel Olympian Emil on Russian Emil Олимпийский.